Hello, I'm Stas, 8 years old, living in Poland, and today we will talk about perhaps the simplest yet most effective form of taxation for sole proprietorships. In Poland, for a sole proprietorship business. This form is called the flat tax, and now I will teach you and explain how to work with it, how to calculate it, and what nuances exist. Let's go! Before we start, please like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the useful links in the description. Visit them to get useful content, consultations, and services from us. So, friends, the flat tax, commonly known as the line, involves, first of all, withdrawing money from net profit. This means you keep a record of income and expenses, calculate your income, subtract expenses, and get the net profit. This is a very significant difference, for example, from Ukraine and Belarus. Then you pay a fixed tax. Currently, this rate works as follows. From the net profit, you will pay 19% PIT plus 4.9%. 9% sign. ZUS under the Polish deal. In total, you will pay 23.9% tax on the net profit, but practically without limits. That is, within this form of taxation, you can withdraw up to 2 million euros per year, which in principle is enough to become a millionaire. Makes sense. I have friends who, work quite well under this form and earn, very large sums of money. Again, you can engage in any type of activity. It's cool, interesting, but it's not like, for example, in Reach Out, where you pay based on turnover, and you don't have these threshold limits, like those in the tax scale, which we will also discuss with you, or have already discussed. If we have, then the video right here. Afterwards, what happens if, for example, it so happens that you are a millionaire and you earn more than 2 million, you will simply pay an additional 4%. This is called a tax for the rich in Poland. What else is important to understand? Your ZUS under the Polish deal is included here in this rate. That is, you pay 23.9% of the net profit, and that's it. You can sleep peacefully. But ZUS Classic, the ZUS Classic, which was there before, doesn't go anywhere. It exists in any form of taxation. This means that for the first 6 months you pay nothing, and for the next 1.5 years you pay a reduced ZUS of about 600 zlotys, and after 2 years you will pay ZUS based on the minimum wage in Poland, which will be approximately 1700 zlotys at the time you watch this video. In summary, if you understand that within your activities you have expenses to deduct, you will be involved in various things, you will be withdrawing a lot of money, definitely more than 200,000 zlotys a year, like 200, 300, 500,000 zlotys a year, then the flat tax. And this form of taxation suits you. 23.9, you will pay here 23.9, you will pay tax on the net profit, plus ZUS, which I mentioned to you. That's how it works. In fact, it's still good because in the rest of Europe, things are really bad in Germany. Even if you are Ukrainian, for example, you cannot open a private business. In general, this opportunity since the beginning of the war was given by England, Poland, and some other country. Therefore, if it seems to you that this is a lot, especially taking into account, say, Ukrainian and Belarusian realities, then go look further, compare it with other taxes, and please come back here and write a comment. I am ready to discuss this with you. That's all. Hugged, lifted. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like, write a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If I can help you in developing your business, help open a sole proprietorship in Poland, or help open a company in a limited liability company in Poland, or if you need a paid professional consultation, all the necessary links are below the video. Leave a request. Either I or a manager will contact you, and I will be glad to see you. Wishing you a successful business in Poland.